Hey everyone, my name is Siraj and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the supplementary video I mentioned in the last Scraps to Superhero video regarding the speech to text and text to speech systems in Python and why I haven't added either of those to C2 yet. This may be an extra video in the week, or maybe my main video. I'm not quite sure yet, mainly because it's Thursday and I haven't added a video topic yet. So yeah, let's just quickly jump into it. First things first, Python speech recognition. I can only really find one module for this, and this is the one that is called simply speech recognition. In total, you should be able to see, I'll throw up on screen the actual Python project page on it, and there are eight recognizers that come in as part of this module. 6 of them require an internet connection, which I don't like, since internet connection could go out for whatever reason, like power goes out, computer crashes, or whatever. That leaves 2 of them that can work offline. The first is Snowboy, and that will only recognize specific words and phrases, and that's only after you send those to Snowboy to generate models that you can then implement into your project, which I don't like because it means it'll only work on those words and phrases that you train, well, that you send to them to train. The other is CMU Sphinx. I have tried this, but the accuracy is not that good straight out of the box. You can apparently increase the accuracy, but it looks to be like a lengthy and potentially difficult task, especially since that I have I've got to learn and research how to set up the whole training thing, then run the training thing, then test it out, and keep going through that until I've got decent accuracy. So that kind of rules that out for me, well, for the time being, possibly. I've not really come across any other PMate modules, so that speech recognition module isn't too good for me. Solution: start from base principles. Learn how Python works with. I've got notes. Learn how Python works with sound, gets you to responding to sound versus silence, then move on to speech recognition after that. Another YouTuber by the name of Siraj has made a video on using TensorFlow in Python to make your own speech recognition. I'll link it up in that corner and down in the description. It looks to be like a decent tutorial. I've already watched it over once or twice, and it kind of works. He only does it on to do numbers, but it looks to be like a good starting point regardless. But if I can, I'll try and do my own speech recognizer. It'll be slow, but I think it will be worth it. Next thing is text to speech. I found 3 modules for this: PyTTSX and PyTTSX3, GTTS, which is the Google Translate one, and something involving Google Cloud, the Google Cloud API. GTTS and the Google Cloud API still require an internet connection, so they're out. PyTTSX and PyTTSX3 offer both Python 2 and Python 3 respectively. On Windows, which is what I'm using now, the PyTTSX stuff needs some extra modules to install, which I don't think's much of an issue. But the main thing is, well, the biggest thing is the voices seem to change depending on the platform. So you'd have one set on Windows, which is what I'm running C2 on at the moment, and another for Linux, which is what I'm wanting to run C2 on in the future. So I can't really guarantee continuity of voice during the platform transition, since I'm moving her from my desktop to a Raspberry Pi at some point in the future. So that kind of rules those modules out. So the solution is, like the text to speech, I'm probably going to have to go back to base principles, look into how to do simple sounds, then move on from there. So another YouTuber by the name of Compware did a video on making your own text to speech thing in Python. I'll link up there and in the corner, in the description, sorry, which is a bit of an inspiration. It shows how it can be done in one form or another, making your own speech synthesis thingy. But I will be looking into more tutorials, look into more ways of setting up speech synthesis at some point in the future. So it kind of shows me that it's not entirely hopeless situation. So that's it for this video. If you want to be notified next time I upload a video, click on the subscribe button over there, or the one down below. There will be a link to the rest of this Scratch CPO videos over there, the playlist, and above that will be a link to a random video which will be chosen for you. And yeah, videos typically go out every Saturday, and I'm throwing in occasional new extra videos every so often. And with that, bye everyone.